This is a 7.8 metre rigid hull inflatable boat, often called a rib. We have a range of safety equipment on board. At the stern we have 2 life buoys in case anyone falls overboard. One has an 18 metre floating line on it, the other one has a light. We also have 2 yellow tubs, and these contain 2 spare handheld VHFs and flares. At the front of the dive rack we have the oxygen equipment. So this is approximately 2,000 litres of oxygen ready to use, and we can have hoses that take us to any part of the boat. On the console we have a range of different safety equipment. So we have a fire extinguisher with some further fire extinguishers inside. We have a depth sounder which tells us how deep we are. We have a GPS which enables us to locate the dive sites accurately. We also have a VHF DSC radio. We use this for routine traffic to communicate with the Coast Guard and other vessels, but we also obviously use it in terms of emergency if we need assistance. In order to use a VHF radio in the UK, you need to be licensed. In an emergency, if I was not able to reach the radio for some reason, then it's perfectly okay for someone else on board to use that radio. There are instructions on how to use the radio on top of the console for everybody, and it is very straightforward. There is a button on the radio marked 16. If you simply press that, it makes you automatically use channel 16, and then you can just pick up the microphone, press the button on top and speak, and then let go of the button when you finish speaking, and someone will reply, the Coast Guard usually. There is also a red flap marked distressed which lifts and has a red button underneath. Then you would lift the flap, press the button again, and that sends our position and details of which vessel this is automatically out to every DSC set within receiving distance. I wear a kill cord whilst driving, so if I go overboard the boat will stop, and there's a spare kill cord in one of the orange tubs. So in front of the console we have 2 more pieces of safety equipment. First is the life raft. This is big enough for everybody on board. Also at the front we have 2 grab bags, and these have got life jackets in for everybody on board.